Hey Dana, it's Regan White. I just got back from vacation and I was going to see if I could help you with the questions you had asked. You had asked me about the font after the icons as well as kind of making the page look more like an iDesign page. And so there are two parts to that. The first part, that's putting the little watermark at the bottom and making the page look like it has the right color, the right watermark or tint the background the right color. So I want to show you that part right now, and then I'm working with iDesign to make the second part a little simpler because essentially you have to go in and edit more HTML. I know nobody really wants to do that, so I'm working with them to see if there's a way we can simplify the process. In the meantime, let me show you really quickly how to get the pages to look right. Okay, so we're on my desktop and I'm logged in currently as you. And this is one of your pages that basically you've added the content to. Now we just need to make it look like an iDesign page. So real quickly, we're going to edit. And this is just like pasting in the icons, the little cheat file that I sent you. We're going to go into the HTML editor, and the very top of the page, if you'll recall, the very top line was a div file. And so we're going to do that. Oops. And we're going to add a class to that. And the class, whoa, that is not the class we're going to add. Sorry about that. I was actually working on a video there. The class that we're going to add is this little piece of text right here, Grayson-page-wrapper. What that class does is it tells the page to look like an iDesign page. So we're going to copy that. That's on that little cheat sheet that I gave you. And we're going to paste it. And we're going to close it. Now, the other part is at the bottom, we have to close that tag. So we're going to make this close in the div. See, we have the div opening tag up here. We have to have a closing tag, and then we can add the class file in. Now, if we save it and go back and look, voila, it looks like an iDesign page. We got the blue bar, we got the color gradient, we got the watermark, and everything that we need. Now, to make this is actually the title that's written in the title. Let's go back and look real quick. This text up here is actually this text. And so we can't really do a lot to that. Usually when they're doing that icon and everything, they put it down here. And that is what I will, as soon as I figure out with iDesign how we're going to do that, that's what I will work with you next. But in the meantime, you can go back and edit the, cancel that. You can go back and it only takes just a second to add that little piece in there. Let's go ahead and do another one here real quick. Okay, so we got the same thing here. We need to take this page and make it look more iDesign-y. We're going to edit. We're going to HTML editor. The very top line, so we have to scoot down. And then we're going to do the div. And then class equals, oops. And we paste that little piece in there, Grayson-page-container in quotations, and we close that, put that little angle bracket there, and then at the bottom we're going to close the div tag. Boop, close div pop. Now when we save it, it looks like an iDesign page. So that's how you'll edit those. If you want to go ahead and just start going through those and just adding that little piece of code in there, it'll make all your pages look like iDesign pages. And then, like I say, when I get, let's go back to main screen. When I get back with iDesign, since I'm kind of catching up now that I've been on vacation, hopefully they will have a suggestion for me so that we can make sure that all of our font looks the same and you don't have to go in and mess with pasting HTML in every time you want to do something, because that could be a nuisance. I know that you've got other stuff to do besides edit code. So I'll get with them and I'll get back with you immediately. But in the meantime, you can put in that little bit of code and it will make your pages look like iDesign pages. So I hope you're having a good day. Let me know if that works, if the video is understandable, and if it helps at all. And like I said, I'll get back to you as soon as possible with the other. So have a good day.